start it. Alright, that's the airport there. You can see all the hangars.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to enter the downwind. Slow it down here. Smoketown traffic 29501 on the 45 for the downwind for runway 28. Alright, so you guys can see the airport runway off to the left.
Yep.
So we're flying the downwind leg now at about 80 miles an hour. We come up, beam the numbers. We'll reduce our power to about, say, 1600. We'll bring in the first degree of flaps to 10 degrees. Start our descent. Smoketown traffic 29501 turning base for runway 28. We'll bring in another set of flaps. We're looking pretty good here. About 70 mile an hour on the airspeed. Smoketown traffic 29501 turning final for runway 28. Bring in another notch of flaps. Wind up here.
Get that horse.
Yeah, horse and buggy. There you go.
Very nice.
That was a full stall landing.
Yep.
Even heard the stall warning horn go off. My instructor would be proud. Alrighty. Well, I'm not quite sure what we'll do here. We'll just kind of go hide somewhere. We'll go over here, we'll hide. We'll just shut down for a little bit. Check our weather. These guys won't mind if we park here temporarily. Alrighty. Shutdown procedures is we turn off our radios. Off that.